the chicken. Alright, good afternoon everyone. So it's time to cook dinner again. So today's dinner, I'm going to make chicken with black sauce. So here is my chicken. It's already marinated with black sauce, oyster sauce, turmeric, salt, ginger, and black pepper. Look at that. This is gonna be a delicious dish. I'm actually from Malaysia, from East Malaysia. So this is one of the way of us cooking chicken. Look at that. It looks good. The color, it looks beautiful already. It has been marinated for 20 minutes now. Alright, the pan is hot. So I'm gonna stir fry the chicken first. So I'm not gonna add oil in this pan because I'm using chicken thigh. So chicken thigh has a lot of fat. So I'm going to use that fat naturally first. So if I think I want to add oil later on, then I will add more oil. Okay, so now add in the chicken. Add in the chicken. Ooh, looks so good already. So now, as you can see, there is liquid that coming out from the chicken. So at this point, I'm gonna put the lid on and then let it cook and kind of like steam it until the chicken is tender, because I'm using chicken thigh. It takes a little bit longer to cook. So I'm gonna lower the fire and cook it for about half an hour. Low fire. The chicken gonna be really tender. We will check it out again after 30 minutes. So this is already 20 minutes now. Look at that chicken. So yummy. Look at that. There is so much fat that come from the chicken. It's natural fat. Look at that, so much oil. This is how it looks like so far. I'm gonna cover it and wait for another 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna add a handful of celery and then a handful of carrot. So I'm not gonna add too much, okay? So the chicken looks done, okay? It's cooking very well. Add in the cornstarch. And then I'm gonna shake it like this. Oh, look at that. As you can see already, look at the sauce. Okay, we're gonna add water, okay? Gonna add water, hold on. So we want this dish a little bit more saucy. My kids loved it with sauce. Okay, that tastes so good. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Now I'm gonna add in salt. Alright, and then I'm gonna add in more black pepper. Okay, we love black pepper, so this is not a problem with us. We love black pepper. The spicy, the better. We can shake again. Look at that. Look at that. High heat. Alright, we're gonna just turn the chicken. You get a little bit of the taste from the carrots, the celery, black pepper, turmeric. Look at that. It's so glossy. Alright. Oh, see, my kids love this. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Alright, it's done. I turn off the fire. Okay, put the lid on. I'm gonna put aside. Alright, and then I'm gonna start making other dish. Dun dun dun! Look at that. This is for my dinner tonight. Okay, this is the chicken with black sauce that I cooked earlier. And here is stir-fried mixed vegetables. This is there's cucumber, leafy vegetables with shrimp and chilies. And of course, always with rice, because rice is life. Okay, I'm Asian, guys, so always with rice. All right, how I eat it? Okay, gonna take the rice, gonna add the shrimp. All right, and then look at that. So good. Okay, you see, right here I have this sambal belacan, means a dipping, it's a Malaysian dipping sauce. There is a shrimp paste, onions, chilies, salt, and lime in here. All right, so how do I eat that? I'm gonna take rice, okay, like so. I'm gonna put in the meat and then just vegetables. I'm gonna take the sambal right here like that. This sambal I use habanero. So look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Wow, this is so good. The sambal, it makes every food taste 10 times better. To my opinion, okay. To my opinion, because this is our traditional dipping sauce. It's a Malaysian traditional dipping sauce. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.